Step 1. Visit Ubuntu's homepage to download the latest version Ubuntu 22.04. I downloaded the file in advance to avoid wasting time. Step 2. Download Refus software. This software will help us create a USB capable of installing Ubuntu 22.04. We need to connect a USB with a minimum size of 4 GB to the computer. The Refus software will automatically identify the USB and you just need to select the Ubuntu 22.04 file downloaded. Wait for the Refus software to copy the installation files to USB. Congratulations! You have successfully created a USB capable of installing Ubuntu 22.04.